Mrs. Srividya Ganapati Sundaram will be entertaining us with some vocal music. So please to join and enjoy. Thank you.
नमो नमः सद्गुरुभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो नमः सद्गुरुभ्यो नमो नमः। हरे रामेति कृष्णेति नाम संकीर्तनं सदा लोकक्षेमाय कुर्वन्तं प्रेमिकं सद्गुरुं भजे। प्रेमिकं सद्गुरुं भजे। A pleasant evening to everyone gathered here. Thank you so much for attending my concert. This is my very first concert in New Zealand, so it's very special, along with my 1-year-old daughter as well. And I would like to thank all the people who have been behind this to make this possible. I seek the blessings of my parents, my gurus, and all the deities over here to bless me to make this concert a wonderful one. Thank you so much for listening to me. Shri Gananathane Namo Namo. Shri Gananathane Namo Namo. Shrita Janapalane Namo Namo. Shrita Janapalane Namo Namo. Shankaran Pudalva Namo Namo. Shankaran Pudalva Namo Namo. Charanamai Karane Namo Namo. Charanamai Karane Namo Namo. Moola Mudalvane Namo Namo. Moola Mudalvane Namo Namo. Modaga Priyane Namo Namo. Modaga Priyane Namo Namo. Kali Mugatarangane Namo Namo. Kali Mugatarangane Namo Namo. Karunakarane Namo Namo. Karunakarane Namo Namo. Shri Gananathane Namo Namo. Devi Niye Tune. Devi Niye Tune. Amba Devi Niye Tune. Amba Devi Niye Tune. Amba Devi Niye Tune. Amba Devi Niye Tune. Ten Madurai var Meenalochani Devi Niye Tune. Ten Madurai var Meenalochani Devi. Devani Devan Sundaresan. Devani Devan Sundaresan. Devani Devan Sundaresan. हिमालयध्वजन् माधवमेकाचनमाले कोदल्वी महाराज्ञी मलयध्वजन् माधवमेकाचनमाले कोदल्वी महाराज्ञी आले मगळ್ कले मगळ್ पणिकेर्वाणी आले मगळ್ कले मगळ್ पणिकेर्वाणी अमुदेनयगिनिय मुत्तमिழ் வளர்த்த அமுதேனயகினிய முத்தமிழ் வளர்த்த தேவி நீயே துணை தென்மதுரை வாழ் மீனலோச்சனி தேவி. The kriti that I sang was composed in the raga Kiravani, and it is on the goddess Madurai Meenakshi. Next I will be presenting Tyagaraja kriti in the ragam Vasanta. Setam mayam setam mayam setam mayam setam mayam setam mayam setam mayam Shri Ramudu Matandri setam mayam Shri Ramudu Matandri setam mayam Vadatmaja Saumitri Vadatmaja Saumitri Vainadeyari Pumadana Vadatmaja Saumitri Vainadeyari Pumadana Dada Bharatadulu Sodarulu Magari Sani Sasa Sani Namagamma Magari Sani Sitam Mayam Shri Ramudu Makutandri Sitam Mayam Paramesha Vasishta Parachara Narada Saunaka Shuka Surapati Gautamalambo Daraguhasanakarulo Surapati Gautamalambo Daraguhasanakarulo Daranija Bhagavanade Daranija Bhagavanade Sarvulavaru Varallano Daranija Bhagavanade Sarvulavaru Varallano Varatyagarajudige Paramabandavulu Manasa Varatyagarajudige Paramabandavulu Manasa Setam Mayam Shri Ramudu Makutandri Setam Mayam Kriti I'll be singing is in the Raga Abiri or Karnataka Deva Gandhari, and it is also on Goddess Madurai Meenakshi. Coincidentally, most of the kritis that I'm singing today are on Goddess Madurai Meenakshi. Panchashat Peter Rupini, Panchashat Peter Rupini, Panchashat Peter Rupini, Ma Pahi Shri Raja Rajeshwari, 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 Panchashat Peter Rupini. Panchadasakshari Pandya Kumari, Panchadasakshari Pandya Kumari, Panchadasakshari Pandya Kumari, Panchadasakshari Pandya Kumari, Padmanabha Sahodari Shankari, Padmanabha Sahodari Shankari, Panchashat Peter Rupini, Ma Pahi Shri Raja Rajeshwari, Panchashat Peter Rupini. Devi Jagajanani Chitrupini Devadi Murta Guru Harupini, Devi Jagajanani Chitrupini Devadi Murta Guru Harupini, Devi Jagajanani Chitrupini Devadi Murta Guru Harupini, Deshakala Pravadini Mahadeva Manolasini Niranjani, Deshakala Pravadini Mahadeva Manolasini Niranjani, Devaraja Munisha Pavimochani, Devagandhara Ragatoshini, Bhavaraga Tala Vishwasini, Bhakta Jana Priya Pala Pradagini, Panchashat Peter Rupini, Devaraja Munisha Pavimochani, Devagandhara Ragatoshini, Bhavaraga Tala Vishwasini, Bhakta Jana Priya Pala Pradagini, Panchashat Peter Rupini, Ma Pahi Shri Raja Rajeshwari, Panchashat Peter Rupini. The next song is actually a very favorite song of mine. It was taught to me in my school when I was in 6th standard. So I will sing that song. It is on Lord Muruga, and I will also sing another famous Kriti on Lord Muruga as well. Muruga, Muruga, Tirumal Marga, Mogan Kunjari Manavaya. Muruga, Muruga, Tirumal Marga, Mogan Kunjari Manavaya. Vela, Vela, Vayadur Vela, Valli Pudamadin Manavaya. Vela, Vela, Vayadur Vela, Valli Pudamadin Manavaya. Kanda, Kanda, Kadir Velavane, Sendur Varum Shivabala. Kanda, Kanda, Kadir Velavane, Sendur Varum Shivabala. Kumara, Kumara, Guhane, Guruve, Kundra Thoradum Guna Kundre. Kumara, Kumara, Guhane, Guruve, Kundra Thoradum Guna Kundre. Muruga, Muruga, Tirumal Marga, Mogana Kunjari Manavada. The next Kriti is also on Lord Muruga, and it's one of very famous Kritis. So I'll conclude this concert with a very, very special song which was sung by the legendary M.S. Subbulakshmi Amma in the United Nations. Maitri bhajata akila jete, Maitri bhajata akila jete, Maitri bhajata akila jete. Atmavadeva paranapi pashyata, Atmavadeva paranapi pashyata. Yuddham tyajata, spardham tyajata, Yuddham tyajata, spardham tyajata, Tyajata pareshwakramamakramanam, Tyajata pareshwakramamakramanam. Maitri bhajata akila jetre, Janani prithvi kamadohaste, Janani prithvi kamadohaste. Janato devaka sakala dayado, Janato devaka sakala dayado. Tamyatadata dayatvam janata, Tamyatadata dayatvam janata. Shreyo bhuyat sakala janana, Shreyo bhuyat sakala janana, Shreyo bhuyat sakala janana, Shreyo bhuyat sakala janana, Shreyo bhuyat sakala janana. Thank you so much for listening to me. I hope to give a lot of performances in the future by you all. Thank you so much. And This is definitely not possible without the blessings of my parents, my gurus, Srimati Bhuvana Rajagopal and Srimati Vishaka Hari, and to all the deities and to all the elders, always seeking your blessings. Thank you so much.
Vanakkam devotees, we had a beautiful concert now. We were a bit happy because
It's okay. It's okay.
ॐ हृद्यास्महाब्दे नमसो वसत्य मित्रं देवं मित्रधेन्नोऽस्तु अनुराधारविहारवर्धयन्तः शरणः सवीराः महादेवी तमिळरसिंहायै नमः परिपूर्ण अनुग्रहवरप्रसादफलसिद्धिरस्तु